Okay, now in 8.8 they stick this part in about strings being immutable, and they show that, you know, if I wanted to change hello world to jello world here by placing a J in for the H, it gives an error. So now let me copy that and I'll paste it down here. So they're saying I'm going to get an error if I run that. Certainly I do. And the string object does not support item assignment. So they are correct. You know, you can't change it there. But you know, they say here strings are immutable, which means you can't change an existing string. The best you can do is create a new string that is a variation of the original. Well, that's not exactly true. So what can I do? So I can't do this. Okay. But I can actually use concatenation. So if I say greeting equals greeting and plus to concatenate, and then I put on here maybe a space and then glad to meet you, and I try running this, you see it works. It's just fine with that. So you can use this concatenation. For instance, I've used it when I had to build something up a piece at a time. You know, like I'd get one sentence or one word or something like that, but I was building up, you know, or one field of a data line. You can build up your string sort of a piece at a time by using this concatenation. You know, and I could even, should be able to even put it on the front. Now I can't put it in the middle anywhere, but so I could say I'm here, period, put a space after that, and then do my concatenation, run that, and you see it takes that just fine. So now I can't do anything in the middle of it, but that's fine. Now the other thing I can do is, okay, after all that, you know, or instead of all that, the other way you can change it, and we actually see this in the for loop, when we say for C in greeting or something like that, we can just redefine it, like greeting equals howdy, and so now if I run it, it'll change, you know, the greeting I made here to just howdy. And it's fine with that. So I can reassign it something new. So those two things I can do, and then that way, you know, once I've made a string, I can change it either through augmenting it or concatenating it with something else, or by just reassigning something, a new actual string to that variable. So either of those is fine. Other than that, no, you can't just change something in the middle.